Oh hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. In this video, I would like to tell you a little bit more about one of my favorite woks, which is a Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. I use this wok every day, in fact sometimes several times each day. I also use this wok in most of my video demonstrations. I have been using this wok for the past 3 years, and I would like to use this video and provide you a review of my experience over this time period. In my fast cooking system, stir frying is a key component, and having the right wok is important to make stir fry efficient and fun. And over the years, I have tried many different woks to look for the wok that is most comfortable for me. I find most of the woks are able to do their job, but there's one standout for me. This is the 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok. The primary reason I like this wok is because of its weight. It is the lightest 14-inch wok that I have used thus far. It weighs less than 3 pounds, as most other woks weigh somewhere between 3.5 to 4 pounds. I can lift the wok easily and move it about without much effort, give me a sense of freedom. This is very important when you cook a meal with several dishes. The ability to move the wok between the sink and the stove is a great advantage. The second reason that I find this wok suitable for me is because I cook on a glass-top electric stove. I want my wok not to change shape after it has been heated up. However, most carbon steel wok tend to warp after they get hot. On the other hand, stainless steel wok will not change shape even when they are heated up. Having a wok wobble during cooking could be distractive. These are the two primary reasons that I like this wok. First, the lightweight construction, and secondly, it's resistant to shape change after being heated up. The third consideration for me to select this wok is peripheral. It is my personal preference to have my wok look shiny and clean. And this is my primary reason for choosing stainless steel, because it is the only cook surface that allows you to maintain a like-new condition after you use it for many years. I have used this Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok for over 3 years. Since I use a stainless steel wok spatula, light scratching on the surface of the wok is inevitable. However, other than that, the wok surface is shiny and clean. I never use soap or scrubbing agents to clean the wok. I use water with a wok brush, which is made up of Primera bristles, and scrub pad to clean the wok. I usually spend about 1 to 2 minutes to restore the wok back to its original condition. In my experience, the stainless steel cook surface is much easier to clean, particularly in comparison to carbon steel, cast iron, or light cast iron cook surfaces. Another reason I really like the stainless steel cook surface because I don't have to worry about rusting. With carbon steel, cast iron, I like cast iron, you always have to dry them thoroughly before you store them because they will rust. So consequently, I find the stainless steel wok is easier to clean and maintain. Therefore, each time when I pick up the wok, I know it is ready to go, and it gives me a lot of confidence in my cooking. The fourth reason that I really like this wok is its flexibility. This wok is made up of all stainless steel constructions, that's including the handles. And that is important to me because now I can see possibilities of using this wok in the oven. So in addition to stir frying, I can use this wok for baking and roasting. For example, I use this wok regularly for baking bread, and occasionally I use it to bake cake as well. I also find it very useful to be able to place the wok in the oven to brown the food ingredients after I cook them on top of the stove. Another attribute I really like about this wok is that it comes with a glass cover. Most woks do not come with a cover because you don't need a cover to do stir frying. With this cover, it greatly increased the cooking possibilities for this wok. You can now use the wok as a crock pot for doing slow cooking and stewing. I also really like the glass cover because now you can see what is going on inside the wok. So in summary, following are the reasons that I like this wok. First, it is lightweight, so it is easy for me to lift it as well as to move it around. Secondly, it does not change shape when it heated up, so I can use it on my flat glass top electric stove. Third, it is easy to clean and maintain, and it will not rust. Fourth, due to its all stainless steel construction, I can use the wok in the oven for baking, roasting, and broiling. Fifth, with a glass cover, I can use the wok for slow cooking and stewing, just like a crock pot. However, like everything else, this wok comes with some negative aspects, and I would like to point them out to you. First and foremost, the stainless steel cook surface is a little bit more difficult to season in comparison to carbon steel, cast iron, or like cast iron cooked surfaces. However, this is not difficult to overcome as long as you take small modifications to make adjustments in using the stainless steel wok. By seasoning the wok each time before you cook, use my spot seasoning method, you will not have any problem in creating a non-stick cooked surface. Depending on what you cook, some food ingredients will stick and burn to the surface of the wok. I have developed a method in cleaning the wok as you cook by injecting a small amount of water and use the wok spatula to detach any burnt materials. I call this method spot cleaning, and it makes it much easier for you to clean the wok after you cook. The second concern about this wok is its construction. Stainless steel has many virtues, as I have indicated earlier. However, stainless steel is not good in conducting heat in comparison to cast iron, light cast iron, or carbon steel. To overcome this problem, a technology was developed to sandwich a layer of aluminum between two layers of stainless steels. Aluminum is excellent for both heat conduction and retention. Using this approach, it will give stainless steel this type of cooking properties. This type of stainless steel cookware are known as multi-clapped cookware. For most stainless steel cookware, only the cooked surface is multi-clapped. The remaining surface of the stainless steel cookware is only a single layer of stainless steel. For most high-end stainless steel cookware, the entire body is multi-clapped. For example, the 14-inch all-clap stainless steel wok have the whole body of the wok that is wrapped with aluminum, whereas the 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok is only multi-clap at the bottom of the wok. The 13-inch Cook Standard stainless steel wok is multi-clap through the entire body of the wok, so you can see it is continuous. Whereas the 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok, you can see there is a disc at the bottom of the wok. This represents the multi-clap area of the wok, as the remaining of the wok is only a single layer. The advantage of only have the cooking surface that is multi-clap is that you make the wok lighter. The disadvantage is that the heat conduction capacity at the side of the wall will not be as good. A friend of mine pointed out this difference to me and suggests that the cooking might not be as effective. Nevertheless, based on my experience with this wok, I have not found that to be a problem. Another disadvantage is probably from a structural standpoint. Because the multi-clap portion at the bottom of the wok seems to be a disc that are welded to the wok. Will this construction to be strong enough that will stand to everyday use? So far, I have not seen any evidence that this disc might come off after using it for 3 years on a daily basis. However, to have only the cork surface to be multi-clap, it definitely makes the wok lighter. It also makes it probably the least expensive stainless steel woks out there. So for me, because of the lightness of this wok, because of its lower cost, I'm willing to take a chance that it might not be as durable. Nevertheless, so far so good. There's no indication that this portion of the wok is going to come apart. So far everything has worked out. It has become my favorite wok, and I use it every day and sometimes several times a day. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share, and I will see you next time.